into crystal glass. This proved that 5D storage is not theoretical. It is practical, readable, and real. Reading data from glass is just as fascinating as writing it. Instead of spinning disks or electrical circuits, Microsoft uses AI-powered optical microscopes. These microscopes scan the glass and capture images of the voxel patterns. Artificial intelligence then decodes these patterns back into digital data with extreme accuracy. This means the glass itself has no moving parts, no electricity running through it, and no wear over time. One of the biggest benefits of 5D glass storage is energy efficiency. Traditional data centers consume massive amounts of electricity just to keep data alive. Servers must stay powered, cooled, and maintained 24 hours a day. Glass storage requires no power at all when data is not being read or written. It can sit silently on a shelf for thousands of years without consuming a single watt of energy. This is why Microsoft believes this technology can completely transform cloud storage. Imagine cloud data centers where long-term data is stored permanently in glass, reducing electricity costs, reducing carbon emissions, and reducing the need for constant hardware replacement. This could make future cloud storage cheaper, greener, and more sustainable than anything we have today. Another incredible advantage is security. Because the data is physically written into glass, it cannot be hacked remotely. It cannot be altered by software viruses. It cannot be erased by malware. To change the data, you would have to physically destroy the glass itself. This makes 5D glass storage perfect for storing critical information, like government records, medical data, scientific research, and historical archives. Think about human history for a moment. Ancient civilizations left behind stone tablets, carvings, and manuscripts that survived thousands of years. But modern digital civilization risks losing everything because our storage devices are temporary. Microsoft's glass storage solves this problem. It gives humanity a way to preserve knowledge for thousands, even millions of years. This technology could protect human culture from disasters. Wars, climate change, solar storms, and technological collapse could wipe out current digital infrastructure. But glass memory crystals could survive and be read by future civilizations. Even if modern computers no longer exist, all they would need is light and optics to decode the data. Museums, libraries, space agencies, and research institutions are already extremely interested in this technology. Imagine storing DNA records, space, mission data, climate history, and entire languages inside glass that will still be readable long after today's technology becomes obsolete. Even space exploration could benefit. Glass storage is radiation resistant, making it ideal for missions to Mars, deep space probes, and long-term space stations. Imagine holding a piece of glass so small it fits in your palm. Yet inside, it lives the entire history of humanity. Every book ever written, every photo ever taken, every video, every song, every memory of the digital world. All locked safely inside crystal clear glass that can survive fire, water, time, and even the end of civilizations. This is not science fiction. This is not a movie idea. This is real technology developed by Microsoft, and it is called 5D glass memory crystal storage. For decades, the world has depended on hard drives, SSDs, tapes, and cloud servers to store data. But there is a hidden problem no one talks about. All current storage technologies are temporary. Hard drives fail. SSDs degrade. Magnetic tapes decay. Even cloud data lives on physical servers that must be replaced every few years. Humanity is producing more data than ever before, but we are storing it on technologies that are fragile, short-lived, and energy-hungry. Microsoft looked at this problem and asked a powerful question. What if data could last forever? That question led to one of the most revolutionary breakthroughs in data storage history. Microsoft's Project Silica introduced 5D glass storage, a technology that writes data inside pure quartz glass using lasers. Not on the surface, not as magnetic signals, not as electrical charges, but physically engraved at the atomic level inside glass. This is why it is called 5D storage, because information is stored using 5 different dimensions of data encoding. Inside this glass, data is written in tiny structures known as voxels. These voxels are created by firing ultrafast femtosecond lasers into the glass. Each voxel has a precise position in 3-dimensional space. Along with size and orientation, these 5 parameters together allow an incredible amount of information to be stored in an unbelievably small area. The glass itself looks completely transparent, but inside it is a universe of data. What makes this technology truly shocking is its durability. This glass can survive temperatures up to 1000 degrees Celsius. It can be submerged in water. It is resistant to radiation, electromagnetic pulses, scratches, and time itself. Microsoft has tested these glass crystals in extreme conditions that would instantly destroy hard drives and SSDs. Even after all that, the data remains perfectly intact. Now, imagine this. A single glass crystal the size of a DVD can store up to 7 terabytes of data. That means thousands of movies, millions of photos, or entire libraries of information stored permanently. But Microsoft's vision goes far beyond terabytes. Their long-term goal is to scale this technology to store hundreds of terabytes and even petabytes in a single piece of glass. One of the most mind demonstrations of this technology was when Microsoft stored the entire 1978 movie Superman, and data stored in glass would not be damaged by cosmic radiation, the way traditional electronics are. Now, here is the most exciting part. This technology is still evolving. Microsoft is actively working on improving write speeds, increasing storage density, and making the reading process faster and more affordable. The goal is not to replace SSDs or hard drives for everyday use, but to create the ultimate solution for long-term archival storage. Think of it as a digital time capsule. Once data is written into glass, it is meant to last forever. No updates, no rewrites, no degradation. Just pure, permanent memory. In a world where data is becoming more valuable than oil, Microsoft has created a way to store that data in the most stable material humanity has ever used. Glass, silent, strong, timeless glass. This is not just a new storage device. This is a new chapter in human history. A future where knowledge is no longer temporary. A future where memories do not fade. A future where data truly becomes immortal. And when future generations look back and ask how humanity preserved its digital soul, the answer may be simple. We wrote it into glass. If this blew your mind, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because the future of technology is just getting started, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. This is not just storage. This is humanity saying to time, fire, and destruction, you can't erase this anymore. Data is no longer temporary. Memory is no longer fragile. The future is written in glass. When everything else fails, when servers go silent and hard drives turn to dust, this crystal will still be waiting. Holding our stories, our knowledge, our existence. We once carved our history on stone. Now we engrave our future inside light. If you want to witness more technologies that feel like science fiction, but are already real, hit like, subscribe, and stay connected. Because the future isn't coming slowly anymore.